Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute Christmas princess. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
We can see a head, a coat, a dress, arms, legs, and a pigtail. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head, a coat, arms, a dress, legs, and a pigtail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle, and draw a big circle for head. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Oh, you're doing great! Then let's draw hair. I draw C shape on the right side in the circle and big curve to the left side. Then let's draw two dots for eyes, the first and the second. U shape in the middle for smile. And let's start to draw a head. Draw horizontal line on the left side, then on the same level, draw the same line on the right side. And let's connect these ends with big upside down U shape. Repeat after me. Oh, you're doing great. Then let's connect this end with head over here on the bottom of the head and draw a curve to the down on the right side and the same line on the left side. Yes, you are right. I like your line. Then let's draw a coat collar. Draw two curves under the head, the first and the second. Then let's draw diagonal line on the left side and on the right side, and two vertical lines in the middle, the first and the second. And let's connect these lines and these. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw the bottom of the coat. Draw C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side, and let's connect them. Now let's draw the bottom of the dress. Draw diagonal line under the coat, then on the left side, then the same line on the right side, and connect them with curve. Then let's draw two vertical lines in the middle of the dress and another line on the left side in the middle and on the right side in the middle. Then draw curves under the skirt, under the dress. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's draw legs. Two vertical lines on the left side and connect them with curve. Then let's draw another leg. Two vertical lines and connect them with curve. Now let's draw arms. Diagonal line, then connect with coat, then sideways G shape on the left side over here, And let's draw the same thing on the right side. Diagonal line, then connect with the coat and sideways G shape. Then let's draw mittens. Curve, big curve and small curve. And on the right side, big curve and small curve. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw pigtail. You can draw on the left side or on the right side. I will draw on the right side and draw a curve to the down on the right side. I start over here near the head and draw to the down. Then draw another same line over here and connect them. Then draw diagonal lines inside and let's draw diagonal lines to other side inside the pigtail. Now let's add the bow, circle, C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the left side, and two curves to the down, the first and the second. Then I choose black pen and draw hairnet over here. Draw a horizontal line, then draw diagonal lines inside. Then draw diagonal lines to other side. Don't give up. Keep on trying. Oh, I like your hairnet. Now let's add some beads. I draw small circles over here on this line.
Wow, we did it! Good job! I like your princess. It's so cute. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose beige for skin. Then I choose pink for blush and draw them under the eyes. Draw a circle on the left side and color it. And draw the same step on the right side. Draw a circle and color it inside. Oh, you're doing great! Your girl is so cute! Then I choose yellow for hair and pigtail. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then coloring over here. Now I will draw the texture of the hair and draw a curve over here with light brown. Then on the right side, then short lines over here in the pigtails. Don't give up. Then I choose light blue for bottom of the head. Tracing. You can choose any color you like. And I choose light blue for dress. You can choose any color you like. Then I choose blue for bottom of the head, tracing and coloring inside. You can choose any color you like. And the same color for coat, tracing and coloring inside. Well done, you're doing great. Then I choose light gray for this part of coat for color and full of the coat. Then I choose the same color for mittens and for shoes. You can choose any color you like. Oh, I forgot the bow. I choose blue and coloring inside. Now let's add some texture. I draw snowflakes in the head, vertical line, then horizontal line and diagonal lines in the middle, then on the left side, on the right side, then over here I draw a spiral on the left side, on the right side, over here on the left side, and on the right side. Then I add another snowflakes over here in the dress.
Wow, you did awesome in coloring and drawing, Princess. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.